The practice of pouring libations, whether of beer, milk, or water, and distributing food to the spirits of the deceased serves as a significant symbol of communion, fellowship, and remembrance. These rituals function as the metaphysical connections that link the living to their deceased relatives, and they are typically conducted within the familial context. The oldest member of the family, recognized for their prolonged period of memory and association with the departed, is tasked with the responsibility of performing or supervising these acts of remembrance on behalf of the entire family unit. During these ceremonies, they may address the symbolic meal to all of the family's deceased members, even if only a select few are explicitly named, such as a father or grandfather. It is important to clarify that despite the potential for misinterpretation by outsiders as ancestor worship, these practices are rooted in familial love and remembrance rather than veneration.